Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marsha, and on today's video, I have a few more Christmas DIYs. These are all made from items that I have recently thrifted from the Goodwill. So let's get crafting. For project one, I have these Christmas trees that have been made from wood. Looks like somebody handmade these because there are measurements written on it. I found these at the Goodwill bins, of course. So I am going to go in with Dixie Belle's Briar Patch. This is a really pretty green color. And this is the larger tree, and I'm going to give it 2 coats. Now for the smaller one, I'm going to go in and do 2 coats of Dixie Belle's chalk paint in the rustic red. Once the paint was dry, I did get it a light sanding. I'm only showing it on the smaller one, but I did do the same method on both trees. I'm then going to go in and seal the trees with some Waverly's Antiquing Wax. I really like this wax. I'm going to go in with my wax brush and give it a good coat, focusing a lot on where I sanded so the wood would look darker. And then I'm just going to wipe back the excess with a cloth. And here's how they turned out. I think they're so cute. These could go with rustic Christmas decor, primitive. They're just really cute. Let me know what you think down in the comments. For project two, I have these wooden curtain rings. I'm gonna go in and give them, I do believe I did 3 coats of this Folk Arch chalk paint in the cotton white. Now I have these little wooden discs. They come in a pack of 6 from Walmart. I think they're like $1.97. And I'm also going to give them 2 coats of that folk art chalk paint and cotton white. Okay, right here I have these little Santa Claus die cuts that I got from Hobby Lobby, I think last year, but I do think they still have them. I'm going in with some Mod Podge with a little tiny paintbrush, and I'm just going around the edges, and I'm going to put some white glitter around the edges. A lot of vintage items have glitter on them. Glitter is not my favorite thing to work with. It gets everywhere. I even noticed some on Cooper after I got done with this project. I'm then going to take my Tight Bond thick and quick glue, and I am going to glue my little Santa die cuts onto the back of the wooden disc. Um, and you want to make sure your glitter dries before you do this, or if you touch it, it will smudge the glue. But I did go in and I pasted these down, and you want to hold them down because they are made of like a chipwood or chipboard, I think it's called. I'm then going to take and put glue all around the wooden disc, and I'm going to glue down the curtain ring on top. Now looking at them, I thought they were missing something, so I'm gonna go in and well, first I'm gonna add some of this baker's twine to have a way to hang them onto the tree. And then I'm gonna go in and add a velvet ribbon little bow, just a simple shoestring bow. And here's how these little ornaments turned out. I end up making like 5 of them, but I'm only showing one. These are super cute. Very neutral, very Christmassy. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Now for project 3, I found these wooden houses. They were in a bin. There was a ton of them, but I only took like, I think this is what, 6, 7. I took 7 of them. And I'm going to go in first with this Waverly's chalk paint and hazelnut, and I gave them all 2 coats. I gave the whole thing 2 coats, fronts, back, sides, top, bottom, everything. Now, once the paint dry, I'm going in with this paint pen, a white paint pen, and I am just going to decorate them. These are not perfect. I've told y'all once before, freehand is not my thing, but I do like to try. So I'm just going to give each one a design. I'm just going to I'm going to play some music and let you watch me. And here's how the little gingerbread village turned out. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. This was a quick and easy DIY. You could probably find these little house-shaped cutouts at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I'm not 100% sure, but I would think they would carry something like this. Now that's all the DIYs I have today. Don't worry, I'll be back next week with some more. You guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give me a like and please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.